Okay. Calculate the mean of the following sets of data. So what is it that you're going to do to calculate the mean? You say the mean is going to be given as x with a bar on top, which is going to be equal to the sum of x all over what? All over n. What does that mean? Number one, it means to add everything up, which is on top. So I'm going to say x bar is going to be 4 plus 13 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 6 plus 5. All in all, what is the total number that you have here? How many data do you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you say this is going to be divided by what? By 7. And then what did you get there, my friend? You get 49 as the sum, Mangish. So it's 49 all over 7. And then the average is going to be equal to what? To 7. Now, let's say I didn't want to do it this way. I wanted to use my calculator. Now, take out your calculator. On your calculator, you're going to go to mode. And then most of our calculators should have more or less the same options as mine here. So we have comp, we have stats, we have table. We are going to look for something called, actually you've already used that table before. Tinamand, you are going to go to stats. Go to stats. And then if you press stats, it should say 1 minus var. And then it says which 1 plus a plus x bx. We go to 1 minus var. It says x. Now, what are we going to put for x here? We are going to key in these values and then we press an equal sign. So I'm going to say 4 equals to 13 equals to 5 equals to 7 equals to 9 equals to 6 equals to 5 equals to. And then I have my data in my calculator. Now I'm going to store my calculator. I'm going to store my data, man. How do I store the data? By pressing AC, you have stored the data. The data is there. You can use it now if you want it. And then from here onwards, let's say you want to use this value. There is this particular 1. You see 1 here. 1, it has 1, and then it also has stats. If I want to have the stats, I need to press shift. If I just press 1 here, I'm using 1 here. But if I want to go to the stats mode, I need to say shift, and then I go to the stats mode. And then from there onwards, it tells me which I have the type, the data, the sum, the var, and the mean and max. So now I'm going to go to var. You'll see var 4. Option 4. On option 4, there's a person that I'm looking for. Who's that person? Look at that person. It's number 2. Yeah, you go and press 2. Go in. And then after pressing 2, it says 0. You say equals to. It says which x with the bar is going to be equal to what? To 7.